Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am taking you with me to show कि कैसे होती है नेदरलैंड्स में क्रिसमस शॉपिंग. One thing that I absolutely love about Christmas in Netherlands is the way the garden centers here are decorated. Yes, आपने सही सुना, garden centers. वो जगह जहाँ नॉर्मल डेज में प्लांट्स एंड फ्लावर्स बेचे जाते हैं गेट्स अ कंप्लीट मेकओवर एंड इट लुक्स लाइक दिस ब्यूटिफुल मैजिकल क्रिसमस विंटर वंडरलैंड. When you walk in, the first thing that you notice is a huge display of all the Christmas trees and, of course, the beautiful tinkling fairy lights. It makes you feel cozy and festive instantly. And of course, they have an entire section dedicated to these beautiful tiny little winter villages with these tiny houses covered in snow, warm yellow lights, frozen ponds, mini people wandering around. It literally feels like कोई Christmas movie का scene चल रहा है. I can honestly spend hours just looking at it. And this is their candle section. यहाँ आपको हर तरह के candles मिल जाएंगे. Guess which one I picked? Of course, the floating candles from Harry Potter. What I also love about the garden centers here is that they pay so much attention to details. What they do is that they separate the decorations based on themes. So one corner may have the classic red and gold decor, the other might have more silver and modern, and the another might feel like a completely different world altogether, like you've stepped into some fairy tale forest or something. So this one right here is based on the teddy bear theme. Just look at how beautifully it is decorated. And shout out to all those who are involved in decorating this place, because every year they do a different theme. Like, I cannot even imagine how tiring it must be. But as a customer, for me, it is so inspiring and interesting because it gives me an idea of how I want to do my Christmas decor for this year. So no matter what, मैं हर साल Christmas time पे garden centers ज़रूर जाती हूँ. And if you too are in the Netherlands around Christmas time, make sure to visit a garden center near you. And yes, don't forget to thank me later. So now we've stepped into the red and gold theme room, which is also the theme for my Christmas tree back home. So यहाँ मैंने अच्छे से time spend करके अपने Christmas tree के लिए कुछ ornaments भी खरीदे. And this was their third theme, Elf on the Shelf. और यहाँ इससे related सारे ornaments and decorations item रखे हुए थे. The next theme was the Sweet Circus theme, और यहाँ पर हमें Santa Claus का एक बहुत ही अलग सा रूप देखने को मिला. I think he is the new age Santa Claus for sure. And then it was time for my most favorite theme of all. It was called the Nature's Paradise. I think hands down the best of all that we've seen so far. Also, I think this could be a potential theme for my next year's Christmas decor. The next was Palazzo Chic, which is an elegant and glamorous theme inspired by the old world sophistication. Also something I'm planning for my Christmas decor this time. And next was the Snow Moon, which was basically the white Christmas theme. And this room was dedicated to a cocktail or a dance party decor theme, which I found very interesting. Maybe I can also consider this for my next year's Christmas. And the last one was everyone's favorite, Disney theme decor. This was so interesting and fun. So that's it. I had such a great time, and the best part is that I got everything that I wanted. So I can't wait to go back home and decorate my Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.